valedictory session of the 5-day FDP, for which all the technical sessions we have already done. Thanks for being such a patient listener. So we are here to do the valedictory session from 3 to 4:30. I suppose we'll be able to complete it. To start with, it's already 2 to 3 minutes are there. We have with us Saransh Tiwari. You can see his video. So Saransh, we will pin your video when we will listen to you, but we still have 3 minutes because we do not want any participant miss your song. Saransh, you remember me?
Yes, ma'am. I remember you very well.
You remember me very well. How are you?
Yes, ma'am. I am fine, ma'am.
You are fine. आपकी मम्मा आपका आईडी यूज कर रही हैं?
मैम बिकॉज वो आईडी मेरे स्कूल में भी यूज होता है मेरे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के लिए, इसलिए वो उसमें चेंज है।
तो आपने फिर पढ़ाई नहीं की? 5 दिन मम्मा ने पढ़ाई की?
मैम मेरे तो अभी टेस्ट चल रहे थे।
आपके टेस्ट चल रहे थे, चलो वेरी गुड। इन विच क्लास यू आर इन राइट नाउ?
मैम आई एम इन 6th स्टैंडर्ड नाउ।
You are in 6th standard.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with whatever going on in your life?
Yes, ma'am.
You are satisfied? You are happy?
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Where is your father right now?
Ma'am, he is on duty currently.
Where?
Ma'am, Pathankot.
He is there in Pathankot. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So he is there. He is serving the country, and you are also serving the nation by some means, because you are here to deliver a beautiful song to all the participants of the workshop. Welcome, Saransh. Welcome to this platform. Anything you like to share with us?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have sent the link of my channel.
You have sent the link of your channel. So this is what you want. This is what you want to share with us. So here the link goes for all the participants. Kindly look at this link. Look at the videos of this strong guy Saransh Tiwari. And if you like, you can always, कैसे बोलते हैं सारांश? आप उसको लाइक कर सकते हैं, आप उसको सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। तो अपने आप कहो एक बार, do an announcement for that.
I would request everyone to please subscribe and share my channel.
Thank you. Okay. So, Saransh, let us start listening to your song. All of us are eager to listen to you.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I start now?
Yes, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Saransh Tiwari from Lucknow. First of all, I would like to thank Sarika ma'am who gave me the second opportunity to sing in NIT Kurukshetra. Although I am missing the stage and the people, but I am glad to perform online. So, I am starting with the English song that was composed by Imagine Dragons. Things first time to say all the words. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things are going. The way that things are going. Things that we're going to love what you think at the same of the astronauts. The astronauts. I'm broken from a young mystic and soul into the master's and I'm always full of you. Hello, the future commission for people. Let me sing a recording. What a pain, think of my message. On the way, speaking my message. On the brain, sing the beauty of believer. Thank you.
Saransh, it is very beautiful. You have sung so beautifully. Can someone tell me, was there some problem in my speaker? There was some noise in listening.
Someone was not muted during my performance.
There was someone who was not muted. No, everyone is muted. Everyone is saying noise, ma'am. There was some noise. But you already might be having so many recordings of yours, na? And we listened to it. It was really beautiful and amazing.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Saransh. Thank you for being with us. Will you like to deliver one more?
Yes, ma'am.
Ek aur.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I will perform an old song, ma'am. O Mere Dil Ke Chैन.
Please. ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत सुंदर सारांश।
Thank you, ma'am.
Great.
Thank you so much.
Super.
Thank you, Saransh. Thank you for being with us. God bless you.
Welcome, ma'am. Ma'am, I would say that whenever there will be any opportunity for me to perform, please tell me.
Don't worry at all. We are there for you. And a little gift from our side will reach you very shortly from Amazon. अपना कोरियर कलेक्ट कर लेना.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am. Take care, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Sumit, are you ready? May we do the exam?
Yes, ma'am.
So how do we do it?
We are dropping a mail to every participant and also sending link in the group.
Sir, can you be a bit louder?
You do it here. Sumit?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you already dropped the email?
Yes, ma'am.
Already done it?
No, sir.
No?
नहीं.
अगर ये नहीं करी है तो मत करना.
Okay, ma'am.
Drop the link here only.
Okay, ma'am. 1 second.
Okay.
So dear participants, the test will start as soon as we send the link. It will be very easy and simple test. No panic at all. So you just, as I say to all my students when there is exam, yes, here also now the participants are students. Do it with your heart. You are prepared well. Do it, and then leave everything to me. Just perform well. Okay, best of luck. And I like to take one call of the speaker who is just to come, and then I'll be back. Okay, that lady is typing in the WhatsApp, so I will take it. But before doing that, I would like to share a few words with you people regarding my observations and not observations, in fact, a vote of thanks I want to propose for this FDP. So here we come to an end of the 5-day faculty development program formally on semantic intelligence, applications and perspectives. This FDP was very much diversified in terms of participants as well as the experts. And I think this diversity is motivating enough to all the participants to take up this as a course for the scholars and as a research field also. I thank all the stakeholders involved. The administration of my institute, our director sir, Dean RC, HOD of the department. I thank the experts who were from premier academic institutes, R&D labs and industries. A lot of real life application scenarios have been presented to the participants, including Google semantic search, linked economic graph, IBM Watson, Apple Siri, Amazon's recommendation system. It was also explained in great detail that how to themselves work upon and develop such applications. I thank the very wonderful audience for being so patient and interactive also, and also being well versed with the dignity that is involved in the online meetings. And at last, my scholars and the staff who painstakingly worked for the last 1 week toward the successful organization of this FDP. I just told Abhishek, Sumit, Samriti and Vivek that you have to be there with me for this FDP, and they are. Without asking any questions, they stood by my side. Thanks to my team.